Emizano eyesiro tayari West Mast Interfaculties Cup 2025 negumiza mu kwindira ahitedekero Mbara University of Science and Technology muri Mbara kandi gimabazyo faculty ya business esingire faculty ya computing and informatics na goremwe aharika jende busha goreji etebirwe Richard omudakika ya 3 nemwe
Yoni banarebere hariya da babaje kamande flashback
agaba Stewart hari mukuru wabeji umbemizano ahitendekero nashobora hamizano kweri kugenda misho ahitendekero.
So interfaculty games ejeje nemizano yo kuzanwa faculties twide faculties mukago mu university ya Mbara University twine faculty ya business twine faculty ya computing and informatics ninga bakarmagezi anbo bari mbazano pia gwerizoba twine faculty ya medicine abana abashaho twine faculty of science ninga bashomesa twine faculty of applied science and technology maba okushomobwa engineer then finally twine faculty ya interdisciplinary studies maba agriculture bakushoma ebyo bwinji na nebyo burisa tutera umupira arona n'empira ya netball arona chess nachi emzano yona konka umupira tuja tuzana hati tukatanke 2016 byo kwa mwenda atutika around ya kashatu tubetwaza buri team yazane match ibiri hateje nubatanga kuzana round ya kashatu kandi twine semifinals team zo kubanza inaza yacemeza nza kutera mu semifinals aneje mpira tuzagizana 2011 then tukwa twine na final 2018 kandi tuza kureba faculty erukusinga yo kuzana umupira ninga netball ninga muzana yona ngo turagerebo mu izobeyo konka hati empira yone egendaje ntureba abagize namwe batakabire binji konka nibija barwo mu class bija barebe mpira yitu
ogu yayongera yashobora hamigasho yemizaneji ahabeji hamwe na nitendekero.
This interfaculties first of all twatu ino mpira tukagambira abana mu biharo mpira aya inebya nakora Nigeria baki bija bafuna mu nabanywano kosa abana mwemba batakushoma nabo konka yambugana hacishayi bafuna nkakanamba ninga yambugana yambugana atisi namangwa akambugana hacishayi kandi baba banywani then weyongera campus twatu iziro ntutize kushoma konka na no college mukago abazana butukuzana abino butukozesa university mbona mbago mezaneje so yija yatera mu nchakare yija yaza training atisi naguma fit marketing You see, we have been looking for you people to come and cover our games. So I think footage abantu bajereba mbamangu haroki abakuno yambije abazana mpira okoso abantu abinja bajya hero mbamangu abantu babizira campus mabize kushoma cyo onka bamangu twine talanta batanga kwija kureba ekikubaho
bamu beji bagambira hamizaneji barukoreka okweri kubahwera omukwega kwabo.
Emizano first and foremost health wise nitiyamba keeping a fresh etiyamba because before the game we practice all along for a week for a month so we keep fresh and healthy. Then ikindi social networking ko kureba abantu benja bayirundanda etar game KG tene ho kubeno boya kubarundanda from different courses from different faculties hata nitiyamba kuturundanda tukamanyana and networking.
We hope for the best because last year we are the champions of these interfaculty games. Social network, you never know. You are playing with a teammate, you never know, he can recommend you to some job opportunity, and also it keeps us fresh, our mind, for just because if we play here football, which means if you are supposed to do the wrong things at this time, you shall be playing football, so it helps us very well.
Erizo mizaneji negumizamo kandi faculty ya medicine nerita na faculty ya interdisciplinary studies shayikumizamo abazyo.